Okay, good morning, all of you. I am your physics sir from Trinity High School. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important concept in total internal reflection. It is mirages. Mirages. Do you know what about the mirage? What about the mirage? And what is its explanation? If you observe in hot summer days at the road, there is plenty of water. If you went there, we are not get any water. Why? The water is disappear. If you are observing from some distance, water is flowing on the road. But if you enter on that the particular place, it is not possible to see any water. Why? Here, mirage is an optical illusion. Mirage is an optical illusion. Illusion means it is nothing but once it is there, if you went there, it is not found. Illusion. So, mirage is an optical illusion. And after this one, why or how this mirage is formed? Why water is disappears? Here, water is disappears because refractive index of the medium changes throughout the medium. Mirages are formed due to changing of refractive index of the medium, or in that medium refractive index is throughout changes. How is it possible to explain? How it is possible to explain? For example, do you know in a hot summer day, this is the road. The air above the road at noon time, the air above the road means yoke. It is so hot. The air above the road is so hot. If you are going outside, what about the air? This air is cool. So if you are taking a road and it is a hot sunny day, afternoon time, the air which is above the road, it has more hot, and if you are going outside, what about the air above the road, above the far distance temperature of that air? It is cool. If height is increases, temperature is decreases, but density is increases. Here density increases. If density increases, what about refractive index? Refractive index also increase. So what is the relation between density and refractive index? Density and refractive index, they are directly proportional. They are directly proportional. Density and refractive index, they are directly proportional. So if density is increases, automatically refractive index is more, so increases. Here refractive index is increase means what about your refractive index is less or decrease. Do you know the speed of light is more? The speed of light is more in hot air than cool air. The speed of light is more in hot air than in cool air. Means in cool air the speed of light is less. Are you okay? So here we already taken one of the road and we can observe this condition at noon time. Then immediately the air which is slightly above the road, it is so hot when you compare to the upper air. And according to your basic knowledge, if you are going outside, what about the temperature? The temperature level is decreases. Means at altitude, at height, the air temperature is cool. Do you know if height is increases, density also increases. If density is increases, what about refractive index? Refractive index also increases. For the upper air, refractive index is more. For the lower air means hot air, refractive index is less. Refractive index is less. Generally, if you take here, it is one of the tree. There is a person here. There is a person. So light rays are coming here. It can travel in different directions. It can travel in different directions. When there is no change in that refractive index. There is no change in that refractive index. But how is it possible to explain when refractive indexes are changes from one area to another area? How is it possible to take in? That's why we want to discuss about another way. Here refractive index is changes along with the medium. Then how is it possible to explain when light rays are travelled from a tree? They are travelled towards hot air, because the speed of light is more in hot air than cool air. So the light ray which is travelled from the tree or water, then what happened? It can travel. This is a denser medium and this is the rarer medium. When light ray travelled from denser medium, why? Because it is water. And what about you? We want taken here air, and it is cool. Cool is nothing but it consisting of some percentage of water. So it is a denser medium, whereas it is rarer medium. So light ray is travelled from a plant or a tree or a man or a long object. It can travel towards that hot air. Here what happened? That it can change its direction and reaches to the person. It can change its direction and reaches to that person. Actually, the person, he is able to observe that these are coming from That person, it is appeared to be that light rays are coming from that inside of the earth. Inside of the earth. Actually, it is the trees, it is vertically stand here. But how the person is able to see? These light rays are coming from that inside of the earth. Because of optical illusion. Because of optical illusion. And what about this nature? What about the image nature? Image nature is virtual image. So what type of image here we can observe? Virtual image. Virtual inverted image. So this is the main mechanism involving formation of mirage. Formation of mirage. Mirage is an optical illusion. We can observe there is a plenty of water on the road. If you get there, we can't find any water. This is due to the refractive index is changes throughout the medium. It is at the upside refractive index is more, and downside refractive index is less. Do you know the air which is above the road, slightly above the road at noon time, it has more temperature, hot air. The air which is above more than this road, then what about that? What about the nature of air? It is cool. I think you already learned. When light ray traveled from light is traveled, or if you are going from surface of the earth, if you are going outside or altitude, what about the temperature levels? Temperature levels are decreases. Temperature levels are decreases. And after that, here, if height is increases or altitude increases, what about density? Density also increases. If density is increases, automatically refractive index is also increases. So at upper side, refractive index is more. But what about the lower side? What about the here? Refractive index is less. So here there is a variation in that refractive index is changes throughout the medium. Throughout the medium. If light ray, normally there is no change in that refractive index, that light rays are travel in different directions. But there is one refractive index changes throughout the medium, then that light rays are traveled from that train or one height object, then it is trying to travel towards the rarer medium. Rarer medium, because the speed of light is more in rarer medium. Then after that, it can bounce back. It can bounce back and reach the person. It can travel denser medium to rarer medium, but it does not enter into rarer medium. It can bounce back or it can travel in the same medium. Up to yours, for example, denser medium, we already told. This is rarer medium. Light ray traveled from denser medium to rarer medium. It does not enter into rarer medium. Once again, it can bounce back in the same medium. Bounce back in the denser medium. So, if a light rays are traveled from denser medium to rarer medium, they are not entered into rarer medium, but they can bounce back in the same medium. It is nothing but total internal reflection. It is most important 4 mark question. But the person is observing. The person is observing illusion here. These light rays are coming from the inside of the earth. Inside of the earth. Actually, is it possible to form inside of the earth? No. It is one type of illusion. Similarly, like water also. Water appears on the road, but it is not true water. It is optical illusion. Optical illusion. How the illusion is formed? Illusion is formed like this. And what type of image it is? This image is virtual and inverted image. Virtual and inverted image. Here also we want to expect our question. Why the water is flowing on the water? The water is flowing on the road in a hot noon time. The same answer. And also we want to explain about one more important question. What about that? Can you take photograph of this mirage? Can you take photograph of this mirage? So what is our answer? Yes. Yes, we can take photograph of our mirage, because our human eye can capture total internal reflected rays. Human eye also acting like a camera. So we can easily capture mirage in a camera, because our human eye is able to catch total internal reflected rays. Total internal reflected rays. So we can easily catch the mirage in the camera. So we already told our eye and camera act same. So what type of image is formed here? Inverted image. Inverted image. But after this completion of explanation, how the mirages are formed, or formation of mirage. Explain about the formation of mirage. So it is also an important question. And after that, what are the applications? So formation of mirage completed. So here we want to ask two questions. What is that one? First one is, mirage is n dash, an optical illusion. Mirage is an optical illusion. Next, mirage is an example of total internal reflection. Mirage is an example of total internal reflection. And after this, applications. Applications of TIR. TIR stands for total internal reflection. So what about that first one? First one is brilliance of diamond. What is the first one? Brilliance of diamond. Do you know why the diamond is shining? What is the basic principle here? Diamonds are brilliance is nothing but shining. Diamonds are shine brightly because of total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. For example, here if you want to take in one diamond, if you consider it is a diamond, then if light ray is entered here, then what happened? Here multiple reflection takes place. Multiple reflection takes place. The light ray entered here denser medium. It does not enter into rarer medium. Here multiple reflection takes place. Multiple reflection takes place. Why? Because critical angle of diamond. (24.4 degrees). Do you know, actually the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. But what about the critical angle of diamond? It is approximately maybe 40 or 42. It is very less. Refractive index is 2.42. It is the highest. Okay, na? But what about this critical angle of diamond? Critical angle of diamond is very less. That's why that light ray entered here. And it can travel inside. Multiple reflection takes place. That's why what happened? It can travel from denser medium to denser, because does not enter into rarer, and there multiple reflection takes place. If multiple reflection takes place, then what happened? It is appear to be shine. So mainly, what about the brilliance of diamond? Brilliance of diamond, mainly, it is the basic principle is total internal reflection. Here the critical angle of diamond is very less. That's why the light ray entered in that diamond, and there multiple reflection takes place. That's why it can appears to be shine. Do you know refractive index of diamond is 2.42, but the critical angle is very less. And after that, this is the first one, brilliance of diamond. And what about next one? Second one is optical fibers. What do you know about optical fibers? What is the basic principle for that optical fibers? Optical fibers basic principle is total internal reflection. Do you know optical fibers are prepared with either glass or fiber, plastic. Optical fibers are made with glass or plastic. And what about the thickness of this optical fiber? 10 power minus 6 meters. It is also called as 1 micrometer. 10 power minus 6 meter. It is also called as 1 micrometer. So what about the thickness of that optical fiber? 10 power minus 6 meter or 1 micrometer. Then if this type of fibers are combined, the bunch of fibers is called light pipe. Bunch of flowers. Here also bunch of these fibers is called light pipe. So what is light pipe here? Bunch of fibers, or the combination of some fibers is called as light pipe. So where we want to use these optical fibers? Especially in our medical field, doctors are not able to observe all parts of our body with the help of naked eye. For that, what they want to pass? For that they want to pass what they want to pass. They want to pass a light pipe through their mouth, through the patient mouth. So for example, this is one of the light pipe. This light pipe consisting of different types of fibers. So if you pass this light pipe through the patient's mouth, then the light is passing through these inner fibers. It can fall on that particular area. Then it can bounce back, and some of the other fibers, this light ray is reflected and it can fed on the computer. We can easily observe that organ how it is working. So what is the main principle here? Total internal reflection. Light ray travel from denser medium to rarer, but it does not enter into rarer, but it can bounce back in the same medium. It can reflect it back, and they can travel through these optical fibers, and it is attached to the computer, or it can fed on the computer. Then you can easily observe that organ, how it is working, what about the function of that organ. So in medical purpose, these optical fibers are very helpful, very useful. So here also, what is the main principle involved here? Total internal reflection. So first one, brilliance of diamond. In that brilliance of diamond, basic principle is TIR. The critical angle of diamond is very less, and because of that one, that light rays are entered in that diamond, and multiple reflection takes place. It is appear to be shined. And the second one is optical fibers. Actually they are made with either glass or plastic, and the thickness of that fiber is 10 power minus 6 meter, which is called as 1 micrometer. Next, so if you combine all these fibers, it is called light pipe. The combination or the bunch of fibers, some fibers is called light pipe. So especially this light pipe is used in hospitals. They are used by doctors. You can observe the internal organs. They can observe the internal parts of our body or patient's body to observe clearly. And there is also one more important concept for fiber optics. It is nothing but the communicated signals are combined with the light pipe. One more important use for this one, fiber optics, the communication signals are mixed with the light pipe. Do you know 2000 communication signals or telephone signals, they must and should be combined with the light wave, and these signals are transmitted through so much distance without any disturbance, and this method is a very useful method than some more methods. So in optical communication also, fiber optic communication or optical fiber communication, OFC, optical fiber communication. Sometimes it is also used optical fiber cable, for optical fiber cable. So in that optical fiber cable, which process is involved? Total internal reflection. So in that one, that communication signals are combined with light waves, and it can transmitted effectively from one place to another place, and this method is very sufficient than remaining considered methods. Okay, so if we in examination write the applications of TIR means, we want to take in these examples: brilliance of diamond and optical fibers. So what about the questions here? How the doctors are able to see internal body, internal organs because of this optical fiber, and what is the principle involved in it? Total internal reflection. What about the thickness of optical fiber? 10 power minus 6 meter or 1 micrometer. Next, in a optical fiber cable, what type of phenomenon is used? Total internal reflection. Next, why the diamonds shine more than other materials? Because of total internal reflection. So these are all the applications which are given in our textbook. But what are their uses? What are our general uses? These TIR, if you observe the bubble of soap bubble, it consisting of different colors. Because of total internal reflection. So air bubble consisting of, or soap bubble consisting of different types of colors because of total internal reflection. Next one, this total internal reflection also takes place in our fish tank. If you observe the surface of that fish tank, we can observe from bottom side through the water, it appears to be silvery. Why it appears to be silvery? Because that light rays are travel from water and it can bounce back in the same medium. So here which principle is involved? TIR. Total internal reflection is involved here. And also there are some optical fiber printing. Optical fiber printing also total internal reflection takes place. In medical field we already used this TIR. In some of the binoculars, total internal reflection takes place. Similarly, if you take in diamond and glass pieces of equal size of the diamond, which one shines brightly? Diamond. Why it is shine brightly? Because of total internal reflection. We already told the critical angle of that diamond is very less. Because of that one, it can shine more. And after that, why the stars are twinkling? You can observe some of the stars at night time. They are twinkle. How they are twinkle? Why they are twinkle? Because do you know that light rays comes from that star, it can travel various layers. It can travel through various layers. So if light ray is traveled with different layers, then what about your refraction changes? Refraction changes. So what about our simple answer? What about our simple answer? Stars are appear to be twinkle because of atmospheric refraction. Here the light ray which is travelled from that star, it can travel through various layers, because if it is travelled various layers, then what about its refraction? Changes. So stars are twinkling because of atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction. Similarly, next one. What about next one? Why planets are not twinkling? Do you know? Planets, they are consisting of very tiny light particles. Tiny light particles. If these tiny light particles are travel from that planet to another place, what happened? Their twinkling nature is zero. They are not reached our earth. They are not reached our eye. So finally, what about the twinkling capacity? The twinkling capacity is nullified because it consisting of it is the small shaped light particles. So from that light which is traveling from that light particles, they are unable to reach our eye. That's why these planets are not twinkling. These planets are not twinkling. Similarly, we want to ask one more question. So this is the campfire. Campfire. If you sit nearer to that campfire, the beyond objects swaying. If you sit nearer to that campfire, beyond the objects are swaying. Swaying means they are moving. It is appears to be moving or floating. Why they are appears to be floating? That is also one important question here. Why it is appears so? Here, if you sit nearer to that campfire, or the objects which are beyond this campfire, they are appears to be swaying because the temperature of surroundings changes with that campfire. The density of that air also changes because it is a hot air. But what about the surrounding air? It is cool air. So because of that hot air, density changes. Optical density changes. If optical density changes, automatically its refractive index also changes. Refractive index also changes because it consisting of hot air, and this density also changes from surroundings. We are observing here. We are observing from cool area. But what about that campfire? The air which is above that campfire, it has more temperature. So they can change with density. If density changes, automatically refractive index also changes. Refractive index also changes. Refraction also changes. Because of that one, the objects are appear to be swaying. Appear to be swaying. So once again, here today in this session, we already discussed about one of the most important concept, mirage. Mirage is an optical illusion, and it is, we can observe there is a collected plenty of water on the road. If you went there, we are unable to see that. We are unable to see that water. Why? We are unable to see that water. Those are called mirages. So we already discussed mirage is an optical illusion. Mirage is an optical illusion. Then, how these mirages are formed? These mirages are formed due to continuously change of refractive index through the medium. Continuously change of refractive index through the medium. Okay. Then, how is it possible to explain? If you consider one of the road and we want to observe this one at noon time, the air which is slightly above the road, hot, very hot, and if you are going upside, what about that air which is present high? It is cool. I think you already learned. If light rays are, if you are going from surface of the earth higher or altitude, the temperature levels are decreases. Okay. So at top level, the temperature level is decreases, means it is cool air. And the air which is above the, slightly above the road, hot air. If height is increases, means if you are going altitude, what about the density? Density is increases. If density is increases, and along with density, refractive index also increases. So at a cool air at altitude, refractive index is more. Next, hot air refractive index is less. And if refractive index is high, it is nothing but denser medium. It is nothing but denser medium. Here the cool air is, it has high refractive index, it is nothing but denser medium. And what about the air which is slightly above the road? It is a rarer medium. If there is no change of refractive index, then what happened? That light rays which are coming from that tree, it can fall in different places. But if the refractive index is changes with depth, then we can observe this total internal reflection. We already told the light ray which is coming from that, coming from that tree or any long object, first it can travel from denser medium, and after that it does not enter into rarer medium, but it can bounce back in the same medium. The person who is observing this one, it is appear because of illusion that light rays are coming from that inside of the earth or inside of the ground because of optical illusion. So here light rays are travelled from denser medium to rarer medium. They are not entered into rarer medium. It can bounce back in the same medium. This is nothing but total internal reflection. Here the image nature is virtual image and inverted. Virtual and inverted image. Virtual and inverted image. And after that, what are the questions here? Why at a hot noon time or hot day, why the water is flowing on the road? It is the same explanation about mirage. Can we take photograph of mirage? Yes, we can take photograph of mirage because our eye and camera both are at same. It can easily capture It can easily capture total internal reflected rays. Total internal reflected rays. It is very common experience at noon time or summer days. If you are stand on the road, there is a plenty of water through some distance. Immediately if we went there, there is no water. So we are able to see that mirage. It is nothing but a mirage. It is due to mirage only the type of illusion takes place. And after that, applications. Applications of total internal reflection. First one is brilliance of diamond. The basic principle in brilliance of diamond is total internal reflection. The critical angle of diamond is very less when you compare it to remaining one. But you know about that one. Refractive index of diamond is more, 2.42. But the critical angle is very less. Because of that one, the light ray is entered in that diamond and there multiple reflection takes place. And after that, it is appears to be shine. And after the second one, optical fibers. Optical fiber, the basic principle is nothing but they are working because of only total internal reflection. How it is working? We already told optical fibers are made with or prepared with glass or plastic, and thickness of this optical fiber is 10 power minus 6 meters. It is also 1 micrometer. Then the collection of all these fibers is called light pipe. So this light pipe used by the doctors to observing the internal parts of our patient body. How it is possible? This light pipe passes through that stomach, and that light pipe consisting of number of fibers. Through that fibers, light is passes. This light ray is fall on that special that part, and it can glances, and that reflected image or that light rays are once again bounce back and through that optical fiber, and they can fall on, they can fed on computer. We are easily able to see that organ and how it is working. And one more important for optic communication or fiber optics, because the communication signals are must and should be joined with light pipe, and these nearly 2000 light signals are communication signals. They must and should be combined with a light wave, and they can transmit very effectively than another local methods. And there are so many uses for that TIR. The fish tank appears to be silvery, and also diamond is more shine than glass pieces because of total internal reflection. And after that, why the stars are twinkling? Stars are twinkling because of atmospheric refraction. And after that, if you sit near campfire, the beyond objects are swaying. Why they are swaying? Because of changing of optical density along with refractive index. And refraction. So these are all are very important topics which we discussed here. So later we can discuss with one more important topic.